Short story, Going to Work with Mom. Written by Fu. Today, Millie went to work with her mom. At 9 months old, the little girl could already lie obediently by herself in her stroller, clutching her pre-made bottle of milk tightly in her tiny hands. Beside her, Millie's mom sat neatly on a low stool, pouring her heart into warm, gentle melodies on her accordion. Millie didn't understand music, of course. She only sensed that it was something that made her mother happy. Whenever her mom held the accordion, her face glowed with a radiant, pure joy, a little different from the expression she wore when holding Millie. When Mom played, her mind held nothing but music. When she held Millie, her mind carried many other things. As the sun climbed higher, the stream of passers-by slowly thinned. Millie's mom decided to end her morning shift. She gathered the scattered bills the people had tossed into the cardboard box, packed up her things, and pushed Millie onward. Along the way home, Mom stopped at a street corner bakery and bought the thinnest slice of bread she could find, her only meal for the entire day. Mom still had some money left, but she tucked it deep into her sock, safely out of reach, so she wouldn't be tempted to spend it. And that was Millie's day at work with Mom. How strangely easy Mommy's workday was. It made her wonder why all the other people had to rush around so frantically on the street.